Hello friends, welcome to Learn CSS course, and in this video we are going to learn about image background position. So we can use the attribute background position to position the image in the document. Here, for example, we used left and top. So that means if this is the document, we are positioning it. So this is the initial image, right? We are positioning it in the top left portion, right? After that, we have the repeat y property. That means it will be repeated like this. So in the demo, we will also explore center. That means width-wise center and height-wise center. Image will be positioned here with the center. Right bottom means it will be positioned here, right side bottom. But because of repeat y, in all the cases, the image will be copied vertically. So now let's go to the demo and see how to position these clipped images. So this time we will modify our existing CSS file. We will keep background position, this one, and here in the background position we will use top and left. Even if you use top bottom, bottom left, it will have same effect because of this repeat y. But if you have repeat x, that's a different story. Alright, now we will save all and run this. So this one you already saw, the image is positioned towards the left. Now let's go here. I will change it as a scroll. So here I'm using right side. Right top or bottom, both will have same effect. But here we are using the right, so that's the stuff. Okay, let me have that as well. We'll run this. And if you see, this time the image is positioned towards the right side. So we can also use the center, or even use center bottom. Because of repeat y, it will be applied in the middle. So that's how you can position. Okay, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.